For centuries, scientists have made major discoveries by observing the real world. Their observations moved them to create mental models that explained what they saw. From these models, they formulated theorems and formulas to describe basic principles. Today, there's an urgent need to educate our children in the related fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Collectively, we call this STEM education. Our economic future depends on our ability to innovate in these disciplines. President Obama has set a priority of increasing the number of students and teachers who are proficient in these vital fields. However important STEM is, it must be taught effectively. But all too often, kids encounter STEM as an incoherent collection of facts, rules, and formulas. STEM concepts remain disconnected from their experience and their mental models of the world. Taking a cue from Galileo, Newton, and Franklin, some STEM teachers are using modeling in their classes. Students are getting engaged in experimenting and thinking for themselves with their own eyes, hands, and brains. They carry out structured paradigm experiments, collecting and analyzing the data, and developing representations that serve as a model for understanding. They apply their models to related phenomena, and when the models fail to explain what they've seen, the cycle of experimentation, data collection, and model making begins again. Modeling instruction helps students understand key concepts because it explicitly connects their first-hand observations with high-level concepts of science. Modeling instruction delivers real results. Students who learn through modeling show definite benefits in understanding and performance. In fact, this method seems to be most effective with students who have little or no previous training. STEMteachersNYC is dedicated to improving STEM teaching throughout the New York City metropolitan region. We bring public, private, and charter school teachers together to collaborate, inspiring each other to improve STEM teaching. Our workshops give teachers a way to engage with colleagues, find support, and get genuine insight into STEM principles and ideas. These benefits are simply not available in most schools today. With over 20 years of experience in modeling instruction and a national community of over 5,000 modeling teachers, STEMteachersNYC knows how to inspire STEM teachers. Once we identify master teachers, we engage them in teaching other teachers the essentials of modeling instruction. We emphasize the importance of content in teaching methods. But there's lab work too. Teachers perform hands-on experiments and discuss them from the point of view of their own students. This is all part of an effort to teach with an understanding of how kids think. We show teachers how to use drawings and whiteboards to communicate their ideas so that their students can do the same. Teachers have a tendency to talk first and then wait for questions. We turn that around. And finally, we help teachers to connect with each other, online or in person, to share their ideas and experiences as STEM teachers. Our membership has grown steadily since 2011. By June of 2015, we'll reach 340 members, and by 2017, nearly 500. This past year, we conducted 13 workshops with a total attendance of 391 teachers. With each teacher responsible for over 100 students, we've made an impact on the education of almost 40,000 kids. This has proven the value of our effort. We want to grow further and faster. With some 9,000 STEM teachers in New York City and over 21,000 in the entire New York metropolitan area, we could reach 10% or 2,100 of the region's STEM teachers and impact the education of almost 250,000 kids. When combined with modeling instruction, we have proven, exciting tools to improve the education of our students, to get them excited about science, engineering, technology, and math. It's important to the country and for our economic competitiveness, and it's even more important to us as teachers, and essential for the future success of our kids. STEM Teachers, New York City.